In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark invoices as paid in Xero. Once you've issued an invoice to a client, ensuring it's marked as paid is an essential step in managing your finances accurately. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure everything is crystal clear. First, let's get started by signing in to your Xero account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sales section, and from there, click on Invoices. This is where all your issued invoices are listed. The next task is to find the specific invoice you want to mark as paid. You'll need to check either the Awaiting Payment tab or the Overdue tab, depending on the current status of the invoice. These tabs help categorize your invoices, making them easier to manage. After locating the invoice, you need to open it. This is a crucial step because it allows you to access all the details associated with that invoice. Once the invoice is open, look for the button labeled Add Payment, which you'll find near the bottom of the invoice page. This button might have a slightly different label, but it will serve the same function. Clicking on Add Payment will take you to the payment entry form. Here you'll fill in some key details about the payment. First up is the date the payment was made. You'll need to ensure this matches the date the payment reflects in your records. Next, enter the amount that was paid. This could be the full amount or just a partial payment. If it's only a partial payment, don't worry. Xero will handle this seamlessly for you. Now, choose the bank account where the payment was deposited. This information is important for keeping your accounts accurate and up to date, so double-check the details. There's also a space for a reference or note. While this is optional, adding notes can be beneficial for future reference or when auditing your transactions. Once you've filled in all these details, you have the option to click either Save or Mark as Paid. When you do this, the status of the invoice will update to Paid, or it will show that the payment has been recorded. This change ensures that both you and your client have an accurate status of their payment. And there you have it, a simple yet essential process to keep your accounting neat and your business operations running smoothly. Remember, consistent and accurate bookkeeping is a vital part of managing any business, and marking invoices as paid in Xero is a critical component of that process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.